What's going on, fam? So I got good news for you guys. You guys been supporting my channel a lot, and I've got subscribers now. It's like I passed my halfway goal, but I do want to start doing like giveaways. So every time I hit like 100 subscribers, I'll do like $10 gift cards on for like Amazon gift cards. Like I'll put two winners, like a wheel spinner or something, like random. But the thing is, all you gotta do is be subscribed like regularly, of course. Can't be like a new subscriber, just like a video and win. So I know most of you guys already because I comment to you guys a lot and you guys comment and I just answer back. But yeah, just watch the video, like and comment on the videos. And that way I can get to know everyone's username so I know who's a regular and who's not. And then this way I can give the giveaways to people like for you guys like who deserve it. And so right now I'm at like 2,260 subscribers. So once I hit 2,300, I'll do a giveaway to two people, two of the subscribers. They'll probably, it's just gonna be random. So you just gotta have to like the video. When I upload videos, just like them, subscribe, and of course share the channel. And if you don't want to watch the video, just skip it to the end. So this way I get like my watch hours. So I would appreciate that. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. It's gonna be entertaining. The wheel spin and everything. And then once I hit like every 500 subscribers, there'll be I guess that there'll be, depending on the mood. Sometimes maybe one, sometimes two winners. But I'll do like a $50 Amazon gift card every time I get 500 subscribers. So you guys support my channel, so I have to do something in return as well. So that's what I was thinking. And yeah, I hope you guys like the idea. And thanks for watching.